I spent 1 hour every day for the past 7 days making this website, and by the end of this video you guys are going to know how fully what this website is about and how it can work. So this website is divided into 3 components: the backend using Flask, the Docker using Docker file and Docker composed, and obviously the frontend as well, which is made up of HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript as well. Since the app is already Dockerized now, we're going to be using a different command rather than the Python main.py. We're going to be using docker compose up -- build. Once you run, that's going to show you a bunch of commands as well. I'm still new to this, so I'm probably going to be able to explain what the results are showing you. But once you've run that, you then go to localhost 5000, and then it's going to show you the app. So once you're in the app, what you need to do is obviously make an account. So let me just do that real quick. And once you've made the account, you then log in with that account. So once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. You can see that this is a new account because watched later and watched and notifications is all 0. So what you can do is obviously search up for any movies you want. Let me just try search for Spider-Man. So once I search that up, it's going to show you a different list. Click on the one that you want. Click on more details, and it's going to show you more details about that one. You can choose to add to watch later, add to mark as watched, or you can leave your review. So once I leave the review, everyone else is going to be able to see it, which I'm going to obviously demonstrate at the ending. So once I leave a review, it's going to show there as well. See it there. And if I want to mark it as watched later, just click on that, and then obviously it's going to mark as watch later. So what I can do is probably search up another movie again, Batman for example. Click on the one you want to do, and then add this one to your watched list. So once that's done, it's going to add that to the watch list. So the reason I decided to add this is because I think it was in Netflix that I saw that you can choose to add something to something you want to watch later, or I don't really know, to be honest. So let me just log into a different account and just demo that functionality as well. I log into Dubemski, Spider-Man as well, and then I click on more details to see Pythonify's review. So once I click on that, I see Pythonify's review, and I can also add review, which everybody else that's viewing this movie can do as well. And you can see that it shows properly. So you can see that my notifications, my watch is different from that of Pythonify because each is personalized, if that makes sense. So let me just... And one final thing that I wanted to talk about is the notifications. So how this works is that if you mark something for watch later, anybody that gives a new review under that will be able to get notifications. So for example, if Pythonify leaves a review in Spider-Man and Dubemski has that Spider-Man saved to watch later, when Pythonify leaves a review, Dubemski is going to get a notification for that. So let me just give you a brief overview of my code. So that's the Python code. I can't even explain everything because it's too long. So that's the JavaScript code as well, which is interacting with the front end, which is obviously connected to the backend as well. And that's the Docker file, and that's the Docker compose as well. So to be honest, I'm going to leave everything in my GitHub as well. But before I do that, I just want to make a few changes as well. Let me just push everything to GitHub. And once that's done, I'm going to show you my GitHub on the screen as well. This exact code is in my GitHub as well. Feel free to download it, use it anyhow you want to do. And obviously make sure to like, subscribe, and obviously share the video with your friend. Thanks for watching. Bye.